So I picked up these water filters that are a replacement that is compatible with the ever popular Brita water pitchers and dispensers, and along with other brands, which you should take a look at the description to see if your pitcher is compatible with these replacement filters. Now these are crafted from premium food grade materials, and it boasts a 30% higher activated carbon content compared to other brands. This way you're going to get long-lasting filtration, and we want to get those dissolved solids, impurities, and harmful chemicals like lead, chromium, and chlorine from the water. So this is why I use pitchers that have filtration systems on there, because my water is sketchy. The other thing I like about this is that it has a fast flow and it's steady. So one filter is basically like 300 bottles. So imagine lugging 300 bottles around from the supermarket into the car, out the car, into the house, storing them in the house, when you could just refill your pitcher or your water container and have it nice and cold all the time in your refrigerator. Nothing but good. Fits like a glove in the pitchers, no complaints. I would just put it in the cart, don't have to worry about it, and just order it now.